Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to compare two columns in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. So to compare two columns, we use a simple equality. If the first cell is equal to the second, then the value true is returned. If not equal, then false. Everything is logical and simple, but it's not visually convenient. A more interesting way to solve this problem is to use a small formula with an if function. We are typing the formula. If the value of the first cell is equal to the value in the second cell, then the formula outputs the word match. We type the word match in quotation marks. Otherwise, we will leave the cell empty. Just type the quotes. We press enter and now the comparison result looks much more convenient. We immediately see in which row the values are the same and in which they're not. Well, in my opinion, the best option is not just to compare the columns but also to highlight their differences with some color. Select the first or second column. It's in this column that the differences will be highlighted compared to the first column. Next, go to the Format tab, Conditional Formatting. In the Format Cells If list, we go to the bottom and select the Custom Formulas option. Now enter the following formula. Cell C1 is not equal to cell D1, and additionally, let's choose some nice highlight color. Click Done and all the differences are highlighted. It's all. Now you know more.